Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10, Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 9, Adutsu Sevda. Adutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returned to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's schoolgirl crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. Number 8, Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada. When his elder son Jawad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife, they all lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Jawad was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jawad's wife and lifestyle. But when Jawad's wife became infatuated with the older man, he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 7, Kizil Gonja Lad. Kizil Gonja Lad tells the poignant story of Mariam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches, fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband. Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 6, Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The past of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée Sibilai. Number 5, Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jahangir Jihan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? Their shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 4, Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 3. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the women who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 2. Birgazia Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with the mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 1. Bahar. Bahar 20 years ago graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Temui Abuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yabuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Evran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Temur. For the Yavuz family who are tested with the major threshold, nothing will be the same again. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.